And where are you from?
Okay, so I'm Sikha Singh. I'm from UP and I'm
Shikha,
working as a primary teacher. Yeah,
you're a teacher.
yeah, primary teacher.
Wonderful. Where do you teach?
Yeah, so in primary schools, that is state level school, government
Okay.
school.
Okay. And how long have you been working here?
Yeah, so it's been 3 years. I'm here.
3 years. Great. Good. Okay. And do you enjoy teaching?
Yeah, I enjoyed and initially I thought it's a bit difficult and challenging for me, and but
Mhm.
now I'm comfortable and I'm enjoying it.
Okay. And which part of teaching do you like the best? I mean, your school, your colleagues, or your students? Which is the best part of it?
So now my best part is my student, colleague, and school. You know, it is okay. It's also good part. But student, they are, who are making me to do this job ultimately. Otherwise, initially I was thinking where I am, but now, yeah, my all doubt has been clear regarding
Great.
that.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful, Shikha. Anyways, today I have been given a topic which is very relevant topic, which you all, everybody of us are very much in need today, and we all use it a lot, and that is social media.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you know about social media?
Okay. Social media, I think this is a platform of interaction where we can share information, and we also can learn many things. And now this is the vast area, and so many things are available here. Just we have to find out what the our need, and we can search and do this.
All right.
I
And you mean it's a search station kind of where you can get a lot of information.
Yes,
All
right.
right. And do you use social media?
Yeah, sure. Right now we are so
What are the platforms? Like we are doing English Diary, so this is also a kind of a social media interaction site, right?
yeah,
So
right.
this is an education site.
Yes, this is
Okay.
an
And you said you are a teacher. Do you use social media platform in your teaching also?
okay. Yeah, in my teaching I'm also using. So there are some app I would like to share, like Diksha app and Read Along app and community app, and one app is also, and this is Nistha and
Nish
Prerna app and
Prerna
Prerna.
also. All right.
Yeah,
Okay. So these are helping for teachers and students.
both. Yeah, because we are also gaining information like training here, and we are providing the material to students as well.
Oh, wonderful. I didn't know about these two apps like Diksha and the one you Prerna. These two apps. I never knew about them. So there are so
It
many
is
these
now,
days. It's so easy.
yeah, in
Yes.
UP, I think government has started this.
Okay, this is a government app.
Yeah, this is a government app.
All right. And well, this is another question I would like to ask you. Like, do you think like social media is a silent killer of the society these days?
Why not? I do think so that, and because it is influencing to each and every person in our society.
Hmm.
So we take it in this way as well, as you said, the silent killer. So many impact of social media nowadays. So I'm
Yeah,
thinking
it's like
that
a productivity killer or not. I was asking whether it kills your productivity in a way.
definitely I can say that our productivity, like students. So previously they were most of the time indoors with the outdoor games, but now the video game is most common and
Yes.
likable for I think them. So this is also I think they are losing their productivity in this way,
Productivity.
and
Yes.
uh, also their mental issues, health issues. So what is this? These are I think it is a hazardous for students and for children.
For
Think
children especially. Okay, yeah. And you were talking about a mental health issue. Does it cause any kind of depression or any kind of mood disturbances, as you were saying?
Yeah,
How do you think?
right. Cause and it is happening. I can say that because most of the students they means instantly their mood can change, but no one has idea that how and why. So this how and why we can get from this app and this social media because it is happening in this way, and just because of this, students they are not concentrating, I think, in their study properly, in their work properly, and wherever we are going, all the time we all have this thing, and suddenly if you got something, some issue, some like a, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Absolutely. I can hear you. Continue.
Yeah. So suddenly it can change the mood. It can disturb. And if it is very severe condition, though, so that time maybe the student they can depress and stressed. They can feel stress, and they also can means overthinking. If are thinking too much about this, so gradually I think they will be getting some disease, some mental disease maybe, and health issue as well. So that is why it is affecting too much. And
Hmm.
so many cases also, I think, coming out. We are day by day we are seeing in our news and television.
Yes. Something, have you heard about this word called social anxiety?
Yeah, anxiety.
Yeah, anxiety is kind of it's a reaction to, like, you are feeling very depressed, or you don't want to talk to people, or you're feeling very worried about things. All right. And there is this
Yes.
term called social anxiety, where people actually don't like to meet other people in person. Say, for example, if I meet you outside of this social platform, either of us may be in fear of meeting the person in person, that is. All right. So that is a kind of social anxiety. We can't speak to each other if we are not on a social platform. People can virtually speak, but in real life it is difficult for them to meet and talk. And this is become very common these days, especially
Right.
in children, youngsters, right? You must, because you must have encountered in your primary school, as a primary school teacher also, you must be coming across students like this.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. And now, have you heard about digital marketing?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have heard about that digital
Yeah.
marketing.
These days, after our coronavirus has gone, and we have started, like, we were forced to be, inside the houses and use only social media as our social interaction platform. Now,
Yes.
digital marketing has become a big thing, don't you
Sure.
think? Yes.
I
So
so
every day you can see a lot of people marketing themselves on Facebook, on Instagram, if you are
so
using Instagram and Facebook, right?
okay.
So, what do you think? Is it good for these platforms?
Yeah,
These marketing?
I can say, this there are pros and cons both. So it's also good because if we don't have any option like that pandemic period, so we didn't have any option. So that time, if digital marketing is working, like if I am saying that some most of the thing was happening online. So yeah,
Hmm.
it was working over there. But
Yes,
if
yes.
we are addicted and if we are not aware about the thing, so that's not good, I think. We must to be aware that what is we are going to do, like if we are going to uh, be part of digital marketing. So first, understand, I think thoroughly understand the thing, what is happening. Without awareness, don't do anything. I think this is the most important.
And are you into online shopping? Do you buy any online stuff?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now it is also becoming quite, I think, common. So
Yes.
also
So,
using it.
where do you shop from, basically? Which are the, the sites you shop from?
So basically, I use Flipkart. So that's the
Flipkart.
one.
Okay. Right. So Flipkart also is a huge company which kind of does digital platform. Again, that is again digital marketing, right? Because
Yes.
unless they put their products up on sale, you and I would not be knowing. Amazon, Flipkart, these people need to
Yeah.
market themselves, and this is the biggest way to reach people, isn't it? To reach people.
Yes. Yes. Sure. Sure.
Digital
Sure.
marketing reaches everyone. Like you and I can
Everyone.
talk to each other because of this digital platform. Unless
Digital.
we knew about this platform, we wouldn't have been able to interact. This is an
Sure.
advantage.
This is advancement. Definitely. Definitely. You
It
well
is an
said.
yeah. So like I'll give you one or two words. Can you tell me the meaning of awareness? You must be knowing. It's easy word. Awareness.
Awareness. I think when we knew something, and when we had idea about the thing, so that it means we are aware about that.
Yes, we are aware about things, meaning we know about them. So, creating awareness is what? When we try to make others aware of what we want to share. Right?
Yeah.
Now, there's one more word digital marketing. We were talking about marketing strategy. Like we were just now talking, Flipkart has a marketing strategy, or maybe they are advertising on newspaper, they are advertising on media houses, they are advertising through uh, Google. We come to know
Yeah.
about them, right? So
Yeah.
that is again a strategy because a plan of action to market yourself. Okay,
Oh,
like you and I can have a strategy also. Like, how am I going to learn? Your strategy would be to talk to people,
yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
To
Yeah. Yeah.
practice more. Your strategy could be reading more books, maybe, or
Yes.
watching Netflix, trying to catch the words
Yes.
and dialogues, right?
Yeah.
Do you watch
Yeah.
Netflix?
No, not Netflix. I'm not on that platform.
No, not there. So, and what else? Do you watch any of the, the online
Yeah.
channels?
So there are, exactly, I don't know what the channel name, but yeah, there is some foreign short stories. So I just used to watch it
You watch
always.
short stories. All right. And do you have YouTube? You are into YouTube and all that?
Recently, I started, and there is only this conversation videos has uploaded. So
Yes.
yeah,
Okay. So you watch those YouTube videos
yeah,
to improve your English.
sure, sure. Because if I thought if I would do this, then I would be able to recall in future what I had done. So that is why I started. That is
So
like a strat.
why did you start learning? Like wanted to actually get to start a conversation in English. What was your wish?
Okay, so uh, first thing I say, if I say so, now it is also a need. Okay, everyone should aware about that. And the second thing, it was like a dream. It was like my dream. So to be fluent in English, because my native language I can be speak very fluently, but
Hmm.
in English I had hesitation. So I want to remove that hesitation. So I thought, why I shouldn't try this, and then
I
I
can
started
hear
now.
you. All right. You are speaking quite well, in fact.